3, 2, 1.
Which president was elected to 2 presidential terms without ever getting a majority of the popular vote? The answer is B. William J. Clinton. Who was the president when JFK was assassinated? The answer is D. Richard Nixon. A male sheep is a ram. What is the female sheep called? The answer is A. Ewe. Substances produced by a reaction are known as? The answer is B. Products. In which book of the Harry Potter series, Harry, Ron, and Hermione start attending the divination class taught by Professor Trelawney? The answer is A. Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. What time of the day do tornadoes most often strike? The answer is C. 3 p.m. 9 p.m. Which of the following is least involved in the decomposition and decay of dead plants and animals? The answer is C. Plant roots. Which sportswear company is the brand with the 3 stripes? The answer is A. Adidas. Acids are associated with a low number on which scale? The answer is D. pH. According to urban legends, the Titanic sank because it was carrying which of the following? The answer is C. A cursed mummy. In the movie Austin Powers, International Man of Mystery, Austin Powers was frozen in what year in the 1960s? The answer is D. 1967. What equipment helps basketball players shoot the ball from a distance? The answer is A. Backboard. Which tool is used for sanding and polishing surfaces? The answer is C. Sander. Which food contains the highest percentage of protein? The answer is D. Chicken. The month of August was originally named Sextilis in Latin. What does sextilis mean? The answer is C. 6. What is the term for the relationship between the price of a good and the quantity demanded? The answer is A. Elasticity. Which describes only a physical change? The answer is D. Squeezing the juice from fruit. Which tool is commonly used in carpentry for measuring distances? The answer is C. Tape measure. What is the largest file that can be sent via email standard limit? The answer is C. 100 MB. Which molecule acts as an intermediary in protein synthesis and DNA replication? The answer is A, RNA. A person is 6 feet tall. Which of the following metric measurements is most near to 6 feet? The answer is C, 2 meters. Who was the Mayan god of the underworld and death? The answer is C, Xibalba. Which language has no grammar rules? The answer is A, Esperanto. What are hollow cylinders and are the thickest of the cytoskeleton structures? The answer is B, microtubules. Who stalks dragonflies south? The answer is C, kestrels. What is it that we break daily, but can't be worth a thing when we wake up? The answer is D, hours. What is a celestial body that emits light and heat due to its own nuclear reactions called? The answer is A, star. Who had a drinking problem in Season 2 of the OZ? The answer is B, Kirsten. What was the first commercial microcomputer introduced in 1975? The answer is C, TRS-80 Model I. Which fashion brand was the first to use a supermodel as the face of their campaign in 1990? The answer is A, Calvin Klein. Which artist is known for his Starry Night over the Rhone? The answer is A, Vincent van Gogh. Which beverage would dissolve solids the best? The answer is B, a boiling hot mug of tea. Which is the only woodwind instrument with valves? The answer is C, bassoon. Which of these words means gloomy, dark, sadly dim? The answer is C, tenebrous. By what unflattering nickname does Mimi constantly call Drew on The Drew Carey Show? The answer is A, pig. What is Sailor Moon's weapon during battle? The answer is D, Iwan. Which ancient civilization was known for its epic poem, the Epic of Gilgamesh? The answer is A, Babylonian. What is a ladle typically used to do in the kitchen? The answer is B, scooping. The name of what is coded in the following 86 Mopuum? The answer is D, the name of a software product. What was the name of Shirley's boyfriend on the show Laverne and Shirley? The answer is A, Carmine. What is the only double-peaked mountain with two names? The answer is A, K2 and Chagallissa. What were the words of Sarah Kerrigan to Jim Raynor when they first met? The answer is D, you pig. What mechanism is used by living organisms to pass along genes? The answer is C, DNA. What is the name of the Minion leader in Despicable Me? The answer is C, Stuart. What is the Roman equivalent of the Greek god Ares? The answer is C, Mars. I am a forest nymph who is said to protect lost travelers. Who am I? The answer is B, Artemis. Which number follows 036 in an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 3? The answer is D, 18. When is the expression seeing pink elephants most often used? The answer is D, when people are drunk. What is the measure of the amount of energy found in sound waves? The answer is C, intensity. Urea, ammonia, and uric acid are types of what waste, excreted in different forms by different species?